Hey filmmakers and sound enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 4 tips to achieving cinematic sound. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, these tips will help you to elevate your audio game so you can take your videos to the next level. Let's get started. Always use a windscreen or a dead cat when recording outside or in windy conditions to minimize wind noise. Here's a quick demo. Unfortunately, it's not really windy today, so yeah, we gotta improvise. There we go. So as you can see, here's the AC and it's blowing the wind directly to the microphone. So this is me right now talking to the microphone without any dead cat or windscreen on it. And now with the windscreen on. Can you hear a big difference? Use headphones to monitor your audio levels during recording. This will help you to catch issues like clipping and background noise early, ensuring that you have clean and clear audio right from the start. Always use the camera headphone input to hear how the final video will sound. Capture ambient sound from each location for your post-production. This will add a lot of depth and realism to your scenes. Incorporate everyday sound effects, like footstep and clothing rustles. Layering these with your main audio track enhances the authenticity of your film. Use audio editing softwares like Adobe Audition or DaVinci Resolve for precise editing and mixing. Use noise reduction techniques to clean up audio tracks and to remove unwanted background noise.
I think anyone who works in the bush has to have a passion for it. If they're going to live out here and live an isolated lifestyle, it's not something you do if...
Invest in quality. A great microphone can make all the difference. So when it comes to shotgun mics with XLR inputs, I can highly recommend the Sennheiser MKE600, which is a great option in my opinion. It sounds fantastic and is super versatile, but it's very important to note that you need phantom power with this one. For 3.5mm headphone jack shotgun mic, I can highly recommend the Rode Video Mic Plus, which I've been using for I think already 3 years and I still love it to this day. When it comes to lav mics, I definitely think you should go with the Rode system and not with the DJI system. I had both and I was fairly disappointed in the DJI one, so I would recommend the Rode one, which is very great, especially the Rode Wireless Pro, which has 32-bit float, which makes sure that your audio never clips. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment with your own sound tips.